Hi everyone, let's reuse this bag at home. So we are going to cut the corners and open it like this. Here we are going to make a beautiful organizer at home. So make two folds and we are going to make the corners even. So yeah, cut it like we are doing here. After cutting, we are going to stitch it like this. We are making 3 to 4 stitches at the center part and then from the corner as well. And look, it's done. After stitching, we are also going to cover the corners by putting these beautiful fabric at the side. Cut the extra part of the fabric, fold it and stitch it as well from the top and bottom. After doing this, open it and you can organize your different stuff on the top of it, like your comb, your remote, your goggles, and look, it's done. Here we're going to take this square denim fabric and put another fabric on the top of it. Now take a zip and we are going to put the fabric on the top of the zip and stitch all of them together in a straight line. After doing this, open it